Hey guys, as you can see, sometimes when I want to charge all my devices like my AirPods, my Apple Watch or my cell phone at the same time, I have all this clutter around my desk with all the cables passing through, and I think that it's quite uncomfortable, and that's why I get this 3-in-1 wireless charging station from the Acer brand, because I think that it's going to be a really nice distribution of the space right here without having all clutter up. Okay, let's see what comes inside. You got the instruction manual and the proper main unit right here. As you can see, it comes folded like this. In here, it's gonna place your cell phone with the MagSafe, and in here we have the space for the Apple Watch, and upon here we can place our AirPods. It just says Type-C charging cable that comes included. You get the power adapter that it's Type-C also, and the USB Type-C to Type-C charging cable that we'll be using to test it out. Okay, so let me set everything up and let's test it out. Okay, so now I have already set up. It's just like this. You can just leave it like that. You can fold it if you ain't gonna use it and leave it like that, which I think that it's a really nice option because it's, you can see, it's quite compact and it has these anti-slip patches up on the back, so it won't slide around, which I think that it's really nice. Okay, let's open it up once again. And as you can see, all these cables are cables that I won't use anymore, and that way they are gonna be all cluttered up on my desk, making it a little bit more clean. Okay, and I'm just placing my AirPods on this side, my Apple Watch. Okay, I can set it start charging, and lastly, just my cell phone, just like this. Check that it's really nice. That way I can be working around, anything like that, and I have my phone charging and angled in a way that I can still being able to use it, anything like that. I can just be, if I want, have it like this, locking it. I could be watching some YouTube. I can also just place it on landscape, which I think that it's nice. Also turned off. And you get these nice clock designs, which I think that it's nice. You can choose the one that suits you better. Okay. I'm gonna leave this one. I think that it looks the best, and I think that it's really nice because, as you can see, it doesn't take that much space. You can have everything organized without having all the cables over your desk, anything like that. You can have it at your nightstand, just have it ready at night when you get home from work or anything like that, which I think that it's really nice. As it's magnetic, you make sure that it won't fall or anything like that, and I think that it's really nice. It's fast charge, so you can have your cell phone ready really quickly, which I think that it's perfect. And overall, as you can see, it's a really small unit that I think it's going to be really useful in many different situations when you want to have your cell phone at hand and don't have your desk or your nightstand all cluttered up with all the cables. Which I think that it's really nice, and overall I like a lot and I would really recommend it. See you guys.